Grand Serene, everyone. Grand Serene. How are we doing on this beautiful, beautiful day? It is a great day. It's beautiful and you're alive, right? So, with that being said, this is your girl Felisa, the Politically Vegan, and I am going to share with you another go-to that I do for building my immune system and just putting some good vitamins, minerals, and nutrition into your body, okay? So this is my lemon ginger wheatgrass drink, okay? We're gonna have a shot today. So let's do a shot today and it keeps the doctor away. Hey, a shot a day keep the doctor away. So I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite things I love to do. So we're gonna use some wheatgrass, okay? So make sure that you clean this as well. And if you can, try to buy it organic, okay? Try to buy it organic. So this is wheatgrass, and sometimes you can buy it. It comes in like a pot, like it's grass growing out the grass. But you can also buy it already cut, and this was already cut. So I'm gonna open it up and show you. See how it looks like that? So that's how it looks. So this is wheatgrass. Wheatgrass right here, okay? That's wheatgrass. So it helps detoxifies the body, okay? And it's also, it's a superfood, really. It's a very good superfood for you. You can drink it every day. You can, and it smells divine, okay? You can drink it every day. It helps with the metabolism. It helps with your immune system, okay? So that's something you can use. That's something you can also implement. It has vitamin A, vitamin C, E, K, and also has iron in it as well. So, like I said, it's a superfood. So it's awesome for you to use, okay? So we're gonna start this with, I'm just gonna put a handful of it in here. Put it in your blender. And if you do not have, because they also have a green grass or wheatgrass juicer that they use to juice it with, and it's called a cold press juicer as well. If you don't have that, you can always use your blender, okay? If you don't have neither one of those, you can use your blender. You can also use a NutriBullet if you have that. Whatever blender you have, you can use that, okay? So I'm just gonna show you with my blender that I'm using, okay? It's the Instapot blender. You can use that. I'm gonna put some of that in there. And we're just gonna have a shot today, okay? It gives you energy. It lowers the blood pressure as well. Break that up. You might break it up like that. Okay. And then that little piece in there. Okay, and then, like I said, it's a superfood. It has about 20 calories in it as well, okay? So we're just gonna add just a little bit water at first, okay? A little bit water, and then we'll add water as we go, okay? And then we're gonna put in some fresh ginger, okay? And I'm just gonna scrape it with the spoon, okay, to get the skin off of it, like this. You can scrape it just like that and get the skin off of it. And you can use a knife as well. And I might not use all of this. You might just use just a little bit of ginger, okay? Just a little bit of ginger, not a lot. Oh my God. If you love ginger, ginger tea, anything like that, this is it smells so good. Oh my God, okay? And like I said, I might not use all of this, but just a little bit of it. So, and the reason why I use a spoon, because I don't want to cut away my ginger, okay? I don't want to cut it away and don't have anything left out of it, okay? But yeah, you can scrape it just like that, and the skin is so thin it comes off, okay? So I'm just going to use just a little bit of this, okay? And I'm going to put some of that in there just like that, okay? And then I'm going to also put in some lemon. Put in some lemon juice, fresh lemon, okay? And then we're gonna put the top on there. Here we go. Go. Like I said, it helps with the immune system. Woo! Oh my God. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. Okay. Oh my God. Oh man, this drink right here, it helps with a lot of things. So like I said, it helps detoxify the body. It helps the liver function. Also, it has calcium, iron in it, magnesium. Let me see. I need to add some more. Let's add some more. Get this off and around the sides of it. Just like that. And then we're going to add a little bit more water. And I'm using spring water in here, or you can use a alkaline water, whatever fits you. Okay. Add that in there. Here we go. Chlorophyll. I'm telling you, it's a good. Look how beautiful that is. And green. Let me show you how beautiful it is. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes. So just let it go. Let it break it down. Like I said, if you do not have a wheatgrass juicer, you can use your blender, okay? Don't let it stop you from using what you have to get some nutrients, minerals, and vitamins into your body, okay? Don't let that stop you. This is a superfood. This is a potent, okay? A potent superfood for you. It's living food, okay? And you want to try to get those things into your body each and every day, okay? Get those in your body, detoxifies the body. It has B complex in it as well. Like I said, it's superfood. It helps with arthritis, diabetes, and things like that. And get that in your system. And most importantly, it helps with your immune system. Boost the immune system, okay? Let's give it a look at, okay? Let's see what it's looking like. Oh my God. Okay, so this is good. And next, we're going to drain it, okay? We're going to drain it just like that. We're going to pour it right into here, into your little drain. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my God. Okay? Get all that nutrients in there, okay? Just like that. And then, so I hope I don't waste this. Don't waste all the good stuff, Felisa. I'm just gonna pull this out and pour it in here. There we go. Now, get a shot of this. And you can also use coconut water for this as well, okay? Use coconut water, whatever water you want to use, okay? You can use that, okay? And we're just gonna have a shot this morning to keep the doctor away on this grand, beautiful day. How are you doing today? What are you doing to help boost the immune system, to put some nutrients in the body, to get the body moving each and every day, okay? Have a shot. Here we go. Oh my God. That is so delicious, so divine, okay? It is so nutrients for you, okay? Like I said, this is a very good superfood. It's potent. It has ginger in it. It has lemon juice in it. It has wheatgrass, okay? Some spring water. And like I said, you can use any water that you like, okay? To help boost the immune system. Let's give it another shot, okay? Another shot. Here we go. Help you get you along your day, okay? Don't forget to get in your nutrients, your minerals, your vitamins to help boost the immune system, okay? Do some things to get your body up and moving, okay? And just be proactive in your health, okay? So I'm here to help you do that. If you have not joined my Facebook group, Healthy Healing Transformation Nation, we would love to have you over there. I will put the link in the comments, or you can just go search it here on Facebook, and we will love to have you in our Facebook group. And if you haven't got my cooking book as well, my vegan cooking book, I will put that in the link as well, okay? I would love for you to get that. It also has juicing, it also has smoothies in there, and it also has some awesome recipes for you to start your healthy journey, okay? This is a good time to bulk down and get busy about your health and take control of your health. You are in control of your health. You the one make the decisions of how you want to live, how you live, okay? You are in control of that. So take your health back today, okay? I give you permission to take your health back. I give you permission to be in control of your health. I give you permission to be that one person that's going to do something for yourself, okay? That's going to benefit you, but not only that, your family as well, okay? So y'all have an awesome and beautiful day. Like I said, I would love to have you in my Facebook group, Healthy Healing Transformation Nation. We'd love to have you over there, okay? So with that being said, have an awesome and beautiful day. And don't forget to take your shot today to keep the doctor away, okay? A shot a day will keep the doctor away. And I'm going to finish this up. Okay? Enjoy your day, okay? Enjoy your day. Thank y'all for joining. Until next time, bye.